There is no any pill or a food that can lead to a healthy weight loss. All rapid weight loss strategies can lead to a lot of complications like nervous system disorders, depression, constipation, headache, fatigue, tiredness, and bradycardia, heartbeat become too slow, and hypertension, blood pressure become too slow, and along with this constipation can also occur. Let's discuss a simplest way to lose a healthy body weight. This is Dietitian Faheem Mustafa, the founder of dietinmedics.com. Subscribe and share our channel to get continuous updates on our upcoming lectures on evidence-based nutrition. To lose a healthy body weight, your diet must be adequate in nutrition except for energy. Your total energy must be decreased to a point at which your stored fat must be mobilized, must be utilized to meet the total energy need. Decreasing 500 to 1000 calories per day from the total calories can meet this goal. And if we decrease 500 to 1000 calories from total calories, can lose 1 to 2 pounds of body weight. According to CDC, Center for Disease Control and Prevention, if we decrease, if we lose 1 to 2 pounds per week, that is a healthy weight loss. After decreasing 500 to 1000 calories from our diet, remaining calories vary from individual to individual, but in general it ranges from 1200 to 1800 calories per day. Vitamin and mineral supplementation should be recommended if a male take less than 1800 calories per day and a female take less than 1200 calories per day. If we talk about macronutrients distribution, your total calories from carbohydrate must be from 50 to 55%, and 15 to 25% of total calories should be from protein. Calories from fat should not be more than 30% of total calories. Along with this, only include healthy choices, healthy food choices in your diet. Exclude all unhealthy food choices like fast foods, including soft drinks, pizza, burger, and exclude added sugar in your diet. We can replace added sugar with stevia, with natural sweetener stevia. The most important point that I want to discuss here, that is include physical activity in your lifestyle. Physical activity, that can be any type of physical activity. Just include 20 to 40 minutes of physical activity per day. Let's have a recap. The first step, just remove 500 to 1000 calories from your total daily calories. Second step, exclude all unhealthy food choices, including your soft drinks, including your fast foods, that include soft drinks, pizza, burger, shawarma, etc. And also exclude added sugar, and you can replace added sugar with stevia. And the third point, just add physical activity into your diet and enjoy healthy weight loss. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe and share our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.